Hello, in this video we will see how to use time delay. So time delay is basically used for many reasons. One of them is when we want to make our conversation look like it is done by a human instead of a bot. So we generally add a time delay of 5 to 10 seconds. Another common example is for lead validation bot. So as soon as a customer has onboarded with us, we can send them a template message, for example a welcome message, and then add some time delay, for example for 6 hours or a day, and then send another message and continue the same. To add time delay, we'll go to delay. Now there are two types of time delay we can use here: time delay relative and for fixed date time. So let's see relative first. Here I can select the unit, second, minute, hour, day or week. For example, I take hour here, and in time period I will take 6. So save this. Now here I can add a text message block here. So now when my template message is sent, after 6 hours another text message will be sent. Now let's see the other type of delay, which was fixed date time. So in this case we can set a date and a time when we want the bot to continue. So for example, now I have to add a new year message here. So I'll set my bot to 1st Jan, and time I can select from here. I'm setting 12 AM and save this. So now after this text message is sent, my bot will wait till 1st January 12 AM and then it will go ahead with the flow.